Mwana na ndo manchi umuligereria kiroko kwegena kwane no gendere twegokya kubwate miroberio yonsi gitaseni kya Ndizi TV asira rero litkolire lya Jumapili cyaregire Chinsa Ikomi cyabona mugoroba cinga kingo kwarigania SMS Amayia eri ngumenye asenchera eri yobinye nyorobna sensemo ya Facebook nabakongandira gotonyaro wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube gotonyaro wetra Ndizi TV News naboigo ase website yeto nabokuya somo wetra www.ndizitv.net eri togendere usangaso bwamo. Retariane Everlyne Osero noria okwene kya chipichanerio gichawe kera centre ya bene nigakuro kwa Kevin Mugambingo kwariganyo beko gosanga na inchwe komerio Amayia Chinsa Ikomi ya centre yobenge toko ya chaka bene awasumra iwense Dr. William Samuiruto litkulera bagago ikirana asensemo yankong asokwene kya umurobere obwego sori yama minyoko ayamanyikante na International School Sports Federation ISF cross country championship ayakorekana sensemo yankong Rescos Amayia County ya Nairobi no muroberio bagokoretamo abagosoria na boigo ababwatani kurwase Chinse au Chinse emeronko ebere neyemo ase ababakogosoria ase amaminyoka yo gukwana cinga kyecho nigo murayibese Dr. William Samuiruto abagakobakirambya mbono bonsi bari babeteba gwikirana na watabona n'inchira ya moyo korokia obwa mateboro bya egati Chinse na boigo gukinya chitalanta ase abasae ase bari abatangana niga bagakobakirambya mono anene bari batangana kurwa sense ya Kenya alina sogo ikirania eira kolengana buna babete bakulya buna nigo barachiye gokorya bya ase amamyokaya.
Let me confirm to all of us that what we have here today is not just a competition. It is a celebration of our diversity, a celebration of our children, and a celebration of our talents. That the children that have participated in this celebration from different countries, from different cultures, from different parts of the world have come together to compete in one race, to demonstrate our humanity, to demonstrate our oneness, and to confirm that the world is becoming a global village and we all belong to that village. So to all of you, my very best wishes. Congratulations to everybody. Congratulations to those who have won their races. And for Team Kenya, when I met you a few months ago, you promised me that you would win these championships. And you have kept your promise. I can see that you have won these championships. Pongezi sana, congratulations, and I wish you well.
Kokona chinga kekirana sayo boigoni go mwaziri wechsemi Ezekiel Machogwa bakagwa kambia muno cha serikali ya Kenya ashowancha kwarigania ego sorie yo anene meyo mucho Nairobi na goteba munanigo umurubiro yobereko korekana asenchera erengi yakobatkana na mariganio amaikirano asokubwatana aiwazi wizara yechsemi na boigo ababwatani au machawuni gatabunense ya Kenya nigo eretayare kwarigania chigo sori chinyinge buna echo Satabna samatkabosyo nigo abarachiye kubekemero biremekirano yokaine kyabuna chigosore chinyinge cyabere chikogosereriwa emergency ya Kenya nigo abaga wakangambya mono gucyase bonse bari babako bwatana samanga nayo na gotabuna ense ya Kenya nige bwate ababui abanke naigo ogusira kwabene nigo kubwenera te korwewa ocyanene ase bari abakwe bwatani namangana ye chigosori anena borokiwa betskuru.
Kenya can actually host many of such events. And I hope going in the future, Your Excellency, they will be able to give us that opportunity. As we were here yesterday, Your Excellency, with 21 countries, we were also able to say that our participation is not really about winning, but also fostering friendships, exchanging culture, and also uniting the entire nations of the world. And we did indicate to all the participants that Kenya is not only the origin and the cradle of mankind, but also the origin of athletic championships. And I think you have been able to confirm here that indeed Kenyans are champions, and we welcome you all most sincerely. And Your Excellency, we also say those who have come, Kenya is on another level when it comes to hospitality, and they will be able to confirm the time that they will be here in our beloved country. Finally, Your Excellency, we also thank them because yesterday we did a commemoration of the international championships, plant 500 trees. The one you planted today made it 501. That was an indication that each and every one of us is sensitive to what is happening in the entire world about climate change, and that was one major step of mitigating on the adverse and devastating effect of climate change. We thank you, Your Excellency, and we hope that once more we will again have the opportunity of hosting this particular event, and thanking all the participants for coming over.
Asensemo yayo mugavana we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja nigakire koko amangana ye chigosori na monoko bakirambia mono balia baba ko gosoria na baigogo korabuya Sakaja nigaruo kubure ocha serikali wetrase wizara akwene kyamuna babekire omukia bwobosira abaorokiwa abuo baigo bako gosoria se chigosori au anena sokurigereria amaslai yabo nonyene chingaki barasi chiskuru.
Your Excellency, even as you congratulate those who are still finishing, sports is about resilience, is about discipline, it's about that undying spirit, that whether you're number one or not, that you end up completing the task. So we congratulate all of you. We want to encourage the Ministry of Education, led by the CS and the PS, to continue investing in these children, together with the Ministry of Sports. Even after this function, let us find them where they are in their schools, their training regime, because these are the champions of today and the champions of tomorrow.
Tautikana nayo nigo emerobere mekirano yagendrete kobe kwa asogo sirane na babere bakonyora owakwa kurwa somu chando wetu igo yokore tore mbure nyinge yagendrete ko eneke was Chinsemo au emergency ya Kenya bono nige serikali yense ya Germany aberiyo kubatuko anene bali babere bakuburiwa obomenyo kurwa sechi county emeronko ene emergency ya Kenya okwa na chinga chetaro yaye ime ya Kenya iri kubatuko bokonyobwa asichi abisinde ne Red Cross ime umucho Nairobi nigo mu ambassador German gocha Kenya Sebastian Groth aberika go singerera go kwanera obuyabo kugacha eni bogenkyo asogo tanga kurwase okwenyora ase mechando gose amakongu au.
We are here to stand with you at this time. We have been able to provide some support, 100 million shillings through the UN and European institutions, and are very pleased today, due to the tremendous work of the Kenyan Red Cross and your volunteers, to announce a 10 million shilling grant for families to support the families and assist them in Western Kenya, so that they can begin just to try and not even recover, but live with us and come out of them that are here today.
We will look into ways and means how to link the institutions in Germany with the institutions and the Red Cross Kenya in order to be better prepared if the next catastrophe comes down, because we have to be realistic. This will not be the last flooding in this country. As we